So good morning, kids. This is just after 3. That's 46 minutes after 3. I want us to quickly use our time to learn some things here. So this morning I'll be teaching you how to draw circle on Scratch, and I would like you to watch every click carefully. So first of all, you reduce the size of your sprite should be reduced from here. Reduce it to 85. Press your enter. It has been reduced. Move it up a bit. Come to your motion log. Drag it out. Set it to 1.5. Come to your rotation. Your 15-degree right. Set it to 1. Are we together? Set it to 1. Bring your go to X. Bring it alone. Let it be alone. Set it to same number. It should be same number on both sides. 50, 50. Set it to 50, 50. Then come to your event block here and bring when flag is clicked out. Put your when flag is clicked directly on it, on this, and bring these ones down. Then go to your extension, this one here, this place, extension. Then pick your pen. When you pick your pen, it will load here. So here you come to your erase all. Bring your erase all first. You drag in your pen down too. When you're done dragging in your pen down, you go to your color. Set the color, set the pen color. You can change your color here, any color you want. You can adjust it from here and it will change. So anywhere you adjust it to, that's where to fix it. So let's leave it on red. We are okay with that. You go to your set color, set pen color to 50. Now removing this, set it to 50. But this is 25 here. This is 25. Set color. Then your pencil size, you bring in your set pen size to like 10. That's the size of your pen, that's the thickness. Now go back to your event. Go to your control. From your control, bring in repeat. Bring your repeat here. Then because a circle is 360 degree, this repeat you have to set it to 360. Set it to 360. When you are done, you go back to your pen, and the pen, remember, when you are drawing a circle, your pen goes up and down. Your pen goes up and down. We have used pen down here. You're supposed to use pen up. So you bring your pen up under this one and drag this into the C block. This block that is deep orange is called a C block. So when you are done, remember here you said when flag is clicked. So let's try and see if it's working. You click on the flag, and as you can see, the sprite is drawing a circle for you because you have clicked on the flag. Are we together? So that makes it goes 360 and it stops at 360. So when it stops at 360, it means you have successfully drawn a circle. You've drawn a circle. Here you can just click on this color, and the color we set is light green here. You set it here back and put it here. Here it is. And click on it again. And then no, it's bringing that same green color back. It's not supposed. Set color to 25. All these. Alright, everything is set. So at times the color you program might not go in. It works like that at times. At times it doesn't work the way you expect it to work, and at times it works. So you can see different colors. Just pick your color, any color you pick. Just pick a color. We're having black here. From here you can set your own color by yourself. From here you can pick a color. You can decide to pick the color of the card from here. Any color you pick will be indicated. Did you see it? The color you pick has changed here. So let's see what happens now by using this color. We went back to the former deep color. So successfully you have used your sprite to draw a circle on your stage. Like I said before, for those of you who have been under my lectures, this is your script. This script, without this script, this sprite will not perform on the stage. Thank you.